Good morning guys, today we are gonna do a get ready with me with my project pen items, and I'm gonna mix these two. I have here the Rare Beauty Illuminating Primer and the Cica Clearing BB Cream from Purito. It is the shade 21 Light Beige. I just mix them on the back of my hand and then I'm just putting it all over. And now with the sponge I'm just tapping the foundation in. I forgot to mention I have a bit of the plumping lip jelly from Megaglo on my lips just to prep them a bit. So foundation is done. I'm gonna apply a bit of concealer. I have the Huda Beauty Faux filter in the shade 2.1N. This is a pretty good shade for me, so I don't have any pimples right now. I am very happy about that. So I'm just gonna apply a small amount like this and blend this one as well with the sponge. Let me know what are you doing, how are you, how is the new year. I am excited for the new year. And what movies did you watch? What book did you read? Right now I'm applying a bit of the Makeup Revolution cream bronzer in the shade Light, and I'm just blending it out with the sponge. I watched yesterday the last Hunger Game movie, the newer one, and in the winter break I rewatched all of the other ones. It was pretty well made in my not so professional opinion, and yeah, I did enjoy it. It was a pretty long movie, but it was not boring. I did enjoy it. I think it had a really good storyline and I liked the characters as well. In the project pen we have two blushes. The first one is the one that is almost empty. It looks like this. It is the Sundown from Melt, and I'm searching for a specific brush. I want this one. It is a Refer 33. I'm gonna just take some product and then apply it on my cheeks, but I'm gonna be a bit careful and try to not be very aggressive with the brush because I don't want to disrupt the foundation and other products underneath. But I do enjoy this brush for a bit of a more precise application. Okay, so these are all the cream products. What I'm gonna do now is take a bit of the Huda Beauty loose powder. I have it in the shade Easy Bake. Sugar Cookie is the shade, and I'm gonna just put a bit in the cap. And then I have this powder puff, and I'm gonna load it pretty well and just blend a bit on the back of my hand just to get rid of the excess and push the product into the puff. And then I'm gonna just apply it on the T-zone, so under the eyes as well, and on the nose and on the forehead and chin. And for the rest of the face I'm gonna apply the LYS Triple Fix Translucent Setting Powder in the shade Resilience, and I'm gonna just blend the edges and apply a bit on my neck as well. Let's finish up the cheeks and then I'm gonna do my brows off camera. So I'm taking a Refer angled brush. It is the number 4. I really love this brush. It is perfect for bronzer or blush. And I'm taking the Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder in the shade 1 Natural, and I'm gonna apply a bit of this on top of the cream bronzer that we applied, and a bit on the neck because summer is so far away, it seems, so I'm pretty light on the neck. For blush I'm taking the one again in the project pen, the Sweet Cheeks from NYX in the shade Summer Breeze, and this is BH Cosmetics, again an angled brush, and I'm just picking up a bit. This blush is pretty pigmented, and then of course blend everything with the sponge. For highlighter we have the Wet n Wild Megaglo highlighting powder in the shade Blossom Glow, and I have the Nabla highlighting brush. This is my absolute favorite highlighter brush, and I'm gonna just apply it on top and a bit under the brow. So that is the base and the cheeks. I'm gonna do the brows and I'm gonna be right back. So brows done. I primed the eyes as well with the Sigma primer. Everything will be listed down below. So for the eyes I don't have anything in the project pen, but I got from a friend this one and this one. So I want to create a fast and easy eye look with this. I have in here the Bobbi Brown Long Wear Cream Shadow Stick in the shade Golden Bronze. So, bronze, I said that weird, bronze. I'm gonna put this one something like this. I'm curious to see how this one looks blended like this, because a shadow stick like this one has potential to be a one shadow look. So we have this pretty light base. I want to just take this one. This is the Violetta Petits Force from Viseart, and I'm gonna take this shade, a very old e.l.f. brush, the one with the white handle, and I'm just gonna apply this into the crease and see if we can get a bit of dimension and just a bit more of that rosy kind of shade, because the stick is a bit cooler toned and I don't love that much. So I think that looks pretty good. I'm gonna take the same shade, because we're gonna use only that shade from this palette, and I'm gonna apply a bit of that on the lower lash. I'm applying the stick in the waterline as well. And lastly, from the same friend, I got another shade of the Dazzle stick from KVD. This one is in the shade Hail Surge 10, and I want to take this one with a dose of color pencil brush and just apply a small amount in the inner corner, just in here. And to finish the eyes, I'm gonna apply a bit of the Rare Beauty mascara. I'm removing the excess powder. This is a Nabla Precision powder brush. It is a great brush. For that, let's finish up with the lips. I want to do the lip oil. The other product for lips in the project pan, it is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, but I'm sure that you know how that looks. So let's do this combo. I have the NYX lip pencil, the line Loud formula, and this shade is the shade Gold Crusher. So I'm gonna apply just a bit very quickly. And then I'm gonna apply the Viv Lip Dew Glossy Lip Oil. I have the shade Pesca. It is an orange, so it is going very nicely with the cheeks. So this is the finished makeup look. It is a bit of a more everyday, natural kind of look, a bit unusual for me, but I do enjoy the shadow sticks, and I like something a bit more neutral as well from time to time, and the orangey cheeks look really nice. These are the eyes with only mascaras and no lashes as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. So I will see you next time.